Wait guys, see this. By just creating Instagram posts and just managing the designs and small things, I can able to earn good amount of money. $200 from 50 peoples by just posting on Instagram. Can we do it? If these people are doing it, why can't we? And how to do it? Watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn. Guys, $90 per person, $90 per person, more than 900 people by just managing posting the post that we are creating. That's it. Watch this video till the end. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just posting your Instagram post on social media, by just creating Instagram post. Guys, in our daily life, we are using Instagram social media platforms. Do you know that we can actually earn from there, from these posts, Instagram posts? There are two methods. First is your shoutout method. What is a shoutout method? Guys, you are having good amount of followers. So brands will approach to you and say to you that we are giving you a particular amount of money. You just need to create a post as a just like picture that you need to post. Okay, you have to create a post for a particular advertisement. Let us suppose Amazon is giving you some money. Instead, what you need to do, you just need to post your ads on your Instagram account that this Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Stick is a good product. Okay, I have taken an example of it. Okay, so this is the project we can say that Instagram is doing. Okay, how that is why people are actually earning. Lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, how people are actually earning from Instagrams? These social media, not only from Instagrams but from Facebook, from Pinterest, from Reddit.com. There are various kind of platforms which are available online. How they are earning? The basic thing is your users, your subscribers. Okay, your audience, your followers is the most important part which comes into play. Okay, so guys, you might ask me a question that, sir, we don't have a follower fan base, what we can do? So just guys, come up here in this fiverr.com and just type Instagram. Okay, just you need to type Instagram, guys, and you can see this. I can create your Instagram content and strategy. Content means your post, the post that you need to create, and already she has given 50 more jobs. Okay, and $200 from one person, guys. You can imagine approximately $10,000 she has earned from just guys posting, just copy paste work, guys. And what software we need to use, I'm going to show you. See this, guys, $90 from more than 900 people. Manage and promote your Instagram. Guys, what she is doing, managing means that original person is not posting the content. You are there to post that content and accept the friend request. That's it. If the account is private, then you need to do it. Okay, promote on Instagram means promote to your audience, or you can promote to various kind of social media like YouTube, like Reddit.com, like Facebook. Okay, these are the social media. You just need to post a link, and for that, guys, $90 and more than 900 people are willing to accept this job. Okay, so you can see this, guys, there is a lot of variation that you can. So this is an opportunity, and I, as always, say that I always gave you the quality content, guys. For this, you need to like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Okay, so now what you need to do, guys, just see this, look into this, and what you need to do right now is to just come up here in this canva.com. okay, just come up here in this canva.com, and you can see that, guys, there is you just need to click on this creator design, and you can see this, guys, there is inbuilt feature which is Instagram post. Okay, just click on this, and here you can use hundreds and hundreds of templates. Okay, hundreds and hundreds of templates. People are actually using these templates, and they are generating the money. See this, this is an video, sorry, we can say that video file, video post. Okay, you just need to do the let us suppose there is an Amazon or Flipkart or whatever company wants a shout out. Okay, you just need to give the logo description about whatever the shout out is. Okay, a description about your product description, and you can see this. These are the small props and animation parts that you can replace, or you can see. You can see this, that you can replace and even see this. Okay, so these are the drag and drop things that you can eventually do it on your own. These are the things that you can eventually do it on your own. You can see this work from home. You can see this is a design. You can see this is also a design that you need to create. Okay, templates that you can manage, and just need to download these small templates. You can see this is a template that you can do, and just you need to download it, and that's simple, guys. Okay, now what I need to do is to just click on this switch to selling. Okay, just come up here in this fiverr.com, and I have created a dedicated video on this fiverr.com, guys. If you do not have any account, just do watch it, because step by step I have shown you guys how to create an account from Fiverr on fiverr.com. Okay, so just do watch it. So just click on this share your gig, and you can see this, guys. So this is a platform, so you just need to click on this create a new gig. Okay, and what you need to do right now is to I will create, post and manage Instagram account So what can I do on this platform? You can see create a post and manage the Instagram account. Okay, so it will come up here in this under the section of digital marketing and social media marketing. Okay, you can give the service type. You can say that social media management. Okay, recommendation Instagram. Okay, and you can see I should give graphic design and social media design. Okay, I just gave this thing. Okay, so that it would be easy for you. Okay, because ultimately you are designing it, so just select it, graphic designing and social media design. Okay, so just select it and give the format PNG, JPEG. These are the three formats that I can give. Okay, save and continue. Oh, I need to give the tags. Okay, post, you can give graphic design. Okay, graphic design, and you just need to give Instagram. You see this Instagram. Okay, blog post. See this. Okay, so save and continue. You just need to click. Okay, I have given this full stop. You do not have to do it. Okay, so just save and continue right now. Okay, now it's done. Okay, see this, it will take some time. Okay, guys, scopes and projects. So I just recommend you to give a basic level of package. You can say that best package. Okay, because it's a blog post that you need to create. Best package. I can create 5 posts every day for Instagram and can able to manage it. Okay, you just need to give this thing. I can create 5 blog posts, or we can say that Instagram posts every day. Every day I can create and can able to manage it. Okay, so what it means, guys, basically it is not like 5 posts. You can say that 5 posts, sir, how can I create? Guys, you can see this. You just need to modify these. I have already told you that you just need to modify these small things. Guys, 5 posts, it will take less than half an hour to create. We can say that less than 10 minutes to create one post. Okay, because of these props, which canva.com will help you to do that. Okay, if you are just going with Photoshop and other professional softwares, then it will take time. Okay, because you need to first learn it and then do the practical implementation. So canva.com will create an ease of doing it. Okay, so delivery time, you can select 2 days delivery, revision 2 days, platform, number of platforms. Okay, so you can give, guys, price. Okay, so I just need to select minimal price so that we can attract the traffic, that in $10 he is making he or she is making 5 blog posts and even manage it. Guys, for starting you just need a crowd and multiply that crowd with numbers. Okay, so you can hire a person as well, okay, for doing it. Hire your brother or sister, or we can say that your family members, that you can do, or you can create on your own, because guys, less than 1 minute you need to spend on this website. Okay, and by guys, if you just getting 5-star rating continuously, then you can say that you can increase your size for per gig you can increase your size. Okay, so this is the one thing. So delivery time, you can give that extra $5 I can charge on same day delivery. Okay, on the same day delivery I can charge. So you just need to give these descriptions, small descriptions. Okay, and just click on the save and continue button. You can see this, save and continue. And now I just need to give a small description for you guys that you need to follow and just post it. I just create a demo which will give you an idea that how we need to write in order to attract the customers. So you can see this, guys, I have created a small description for you, that I can create an Instagram post and can manage the Instagram account. I am having 100 plus templates to grow the business digitally. Okay, this is a description, demo description that you need to include. Okay, just click on this, save and continue. Okay, now the most important question is that what is a question that we need to ask from client. Description. Okay, description about description of the project, of post, we can say that Instagram post, and 50% advance payment. Why, guys? Why? I have already told you why we need 50% advance payment, because guys, in terms of post and in terms of any project, you just need to take advance payment like a token money, which will motivate you to do the work. Because without advance payment, guys, you cannot do, because it's a business strategy, it's a professionalism, okay, which you need to create while doing the business. Okay, because we are all from the job mentality. Okay, lots and lots of people are on my channel are from business mentality, job mentality. They are not from business mentality, not much. Okay, they are from job mentality. So as per the job and business norms, okay, you just take advance payment so that it will generate an insight and confidence within the client that the client is not fake. Okay, this is a way of doing the business. So just click on this add button. Okay, just click on this save and continue. Okay, and now guys, the gig photo, you just need to give this gig photo that we have downloaded it. So you just need to download it. See this is a gig photo. Okay, and you can give in video format, guys. Okay, I've already told you that there are various kind of photos. You can see this is also a photo that you can give. Just you need to download it, free download. It can create a good portfolio. Okay, I have declared these materials. Okay, so save and continue. You just need to do that small part, and guys, publish your gig. That's it. Okay, see this, done. You just need to click on this done, and you can see this, guys, your create a blog post is ready. Okay, so you can see you can manage your these are the gigs that you have created. Okay, so this is one way of doing it, guys. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Canva.com will help you to lead and generate a good amount of income, and you can earn a good amount of stream of income by just posting Instagram accounts. Either you can create your own Instagram accounts as well, or you can what you can do in the meanwhile, until and unless your followers are generated to the high extent. So what you can do it for your own self as well. I have created a dedicated video on Instagram, how to earn money. Okay, if you have not watched it, I just do recommend to watch it and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Okay, till then, happy earning.